see a spot, but I don't know if he's leaving or not.
Yo, what is good? I am Richie Kim, and welcome back to Richie Revs. If you guys just watched my last video, it's actually still the same day. We're going to another meet and drive type of event. The one we went to this morning was, you know, the SoCal Jenny's one, so it was like a lot of Genesis and maybe like a few other like different types of cars. This one, at least from what it seems like, is like a lot of higher end cars. So yeah, kind of excited to see how it compares to this morning, because I would say this morning's meet and drive was fairly organized. So yeah, I mean, I'm hoping to see some cool stuff. You want to see anything?
I have no idea what I'm like.
Well, hold on. Yeah.
Bitch, I'm here.
Yeah, you told me to drive slow, bitch. I drove real slow just for you.
You're late.
Nah, I'm late cause
Right now.
I'm late cause you late. Wait, what?
Where you at?
I'm like 3 minutes away.
Alright.
All right, let it. Bitch. I was on time, but he was like, I'm gonna be late, and I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna be late too then. And then he said drive slow. I was like, okay. And then that's I was like, when I called you, I was like, oh wait, maybe Andrew will want to come. So you don't know what you want to see?
I don't know what to expect.
That's true.
You didn't give me any details.
I don't really know too many details. All I know is
I'm excited.
oh yeah, talk about should be
We
good.
cancel my order for my phone. Someone to go pick it up. So I go pick it up, and they were like, coming. I was like, dude,
Oh, how unfortunate.
and they wouldn't refund me my money.
Just charge back.
That's true.
But anyways, like I was saying, you know, we're like what, 1 minute away, 2 minutes away from the spot now. Gonna pull up, see what's there, talk to some people, and then I have no idea where the drive is. All I know is they're driving. So
I'm gonna act like your boyfriend.
yeah, let's not do that.
Why is it in front of Kentucky?
I mean, this is just where people are meeting originally. All right, okay, some Corollas, some Beamers.
It's a lot of Beamers.
I expect it to be a lot of Beamers.
I found Will.
You did? Oh yeah. All right. Oh, a Prius is joining us. All right, let's go.
This is it.
I guess. I mean, I think this is it for now. There should be more people. At least I would assume there's more people. I mean, we're not leaving for like another like 30 something minutes, so I think there should be like more people coming.
Clean as hell.
Hello. I didn't know Corey was coming.
Yeah.
Hello.
I thought it was Teresa.
I thought it was Teresa.
I'm Richard's boyfriend.
He's my bitch for the day. Or he's my bitch for the night.
No, I didn't say that.
Well, this was super unorganized.
Yeah, you can just go home.
We all got fucking split. Like, we legit just got fucking split off. It's just me and Will. Just we might as well have just gone on a drive by ourselves.
I'm gonna call him. Race car.
What the hell was that? 9 Ho. His license plate says Ho.
What the fuck? You hear that Mustang?
Is that the Mustang?
Yeah, that was the white Mustang up there. I don't like how the markers have this place.
Oh yeah. That's kind of annoying. Moon. Damn, bro, we're like hitting every yellow. It's crazy. I don't like the look of this,
I don't either. I'm gonna turn around and go home.
but if we see other cars, then we should be good, right? Is this it?
I can't see. I don't know if that's backfire
Or gunshots?
Gunshot. Whoa.
Ooh, look at that thing. That's nice.
Oh, someone just aired out.
Yeah, I hear it. I hear it. Huh. So are we all just like parking on the side of the road? Is that what's going on? Ooh, what the fuck? Where did this come from, dude?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't feel safe here. Can you go home? Bro almost hit you.
Yeah, I saw. I feel like there's a lot of cars here that were not here before.
Yeah.
Huh. Interesting.
So there's like a little slot where you gotta turn in. There's a huge lot. There's other people here. There's a shit ton of cars. Let me see if I can get that spot.
Are you in the lot?
Yes, I'm in this lot.
The motorcycle's coming out.
Motorcycle's coming out. So pay attention for the motorcycle coming out. It's where you saw me, bro. Remember? I high beamed you?
Oh. So am I supposed to turn down this?
That's where you're supposed to go. You're supposed to turn down that little alley, yeah.
Okay.
It's a dark alley, but it gets bright.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna turn in. Are there any spots? No, I'm getting stopped.
Yes, there are spots in here.
I gotta get some cars out right now.
For sure.
If you just want to back up or like where this red zone is right here,
Sure.
and give me a couple minutes, I'll get you in there.
For sure.
Is he leaving or not? Are you leaving or not? Are you in the slot?
He told me to wait. He's letting cars out.
What's up? I'm trying to get this guy's spot, but I don't know if he's leaving or not. He's not leaving? Alright.
Jesus.
Dude, there's so many people.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna wait for all these guys to come out, and then I will.
Yeah, there's a RX-7 coming out.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Once they get out there.
Ooh, shit. That's a nice one. I like that. I like that. Ooh, what is this?
It's an RX-7.
Yeah, it's an RX-7.
Oh my god, it's the Liberty Walk.
Yeah, it's the Liberty
RX-7.
Walk one. Yeah, it's the Liberty Walk one.
Yeah, come in. You see me, right?
No, not yet.
There we go. We'll take this one. Come in, come in. You saw the Liberty Walk?
Yeah. I saw the Liberty Walk.
Then you're in the right spot.
Yup.
Right spot.
That's nice.
Right spot. There's a lot of nice cars in here.
Yeah.
Don't park them to the Another RX-7 coming out.
Ooh. That was sick. That was sick.
Is it just you? Or you got a group?
Nah, just me.
Okay, I got like 3 spots that are like first here on like the right.
Okay,
So-
for sure. Thank you, man. All right, I'm pulling in now.
Oh, now I see you pulling in. Finally. There's a lot of spots in here, dude.
All right, so where we at?
We're in Santana.
Yeah, we're in Santana, some kind of meet or something. I didn't know there was a meet going on, but yo,
He's gonna rev it. Don't give the attention to him. He's gonna rev it.
this place is loud. There's hella cars here.
I'm at a rave, bro. I need earplugs.
Yeah.
There is some nice stuff.
I'm pretty sure it's the guy. Hey, boys. Did you say you wanted to rap?
Ooh. Oh. Yo. Yo. Look at this. Shit. I like this. Yes, I see it. I see it. Yeah. Yeah, this place is the GTI.
I'm the one who drew. I know.
Yo. That Lambo.
I'm gonna park right there next to the vet.
You're funny. Shit.
What the heck?
Damn. Majority of the cars are outside on the street. Huh. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. They're 5.0. Yeah, it is dark. All right, so just got done with this other meet. Looks like a majority of the people left. Apparently this thing has been going on since 4:30 and we had no idea. But I'm not sure if you all saw, there were some nice cars that left as we were coming in. That Liberty Walk RX-7, am I right?
Yeah.
Fucking,
that's the one.
That was really nice.
That rotary, bro.
But yeah, we pretty much going home now.
It's ignorant over here.
Yeah, I'm surprised this place did not get shut down.
I'm not a fan of like
People are
revving and shit.
people are going a little wild over here, that's for sure.
Yeah.
But hey, I mean,
I'm fine with like pull out, like people like pulling out and doing it, but like this is such like a small street.
yeah,
People,
yeah,
it's just like a little ignorant.
yeah.
I'm just revving too in the parking lot.
Yeah.
1,000 that was
See, I'm responsible. I'm a responsible driver.
yeah, okay.
Oh, I can be. I mean, you just never know if there's like a cop just like chilling over here.
Yeah, waiting.
That's
And
it.
it's also Santa Ana too, so
I'm not trying to get fucked over like that.
I don't think anyone is, but you know, people like to take risks.
For clout.
Yeah.
Yo, all these taco spots though, these little taco stands.
Yeah, they look good.
That looks so good. Look at the line, like, bro.
Dang.
You know them tacos got to be fire.
They gotta be.
They got to be hella
Bussin'.
fire.
They gotta be gas, bro.
Yes, gas. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Yep.
Yep.
Catch you in the next one.
Catch you in the next one.
I hate you.